So I just click on the start sharing option now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can able to view my screen clearly now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think when we talk about like a Python, what things we have to discuss in the Python, that is what we'll see in detail practically now. Okay, I think in the last channel, like a last class, what we have discussed about is the data types, right? We
Yes.
have discussed completely in detail about the data types. Strings also we have discussed. Okay, and now we'll discuss in detail about some collection methods. Okay, what are the different types of collections? See, collections are what exactly when we talk about like in like a Python. Okay, they are like a four different types of collection. Okay, when I talk about like a list, okay, list is what data will go. List is like unchangeable object. It's like an ordered. It's allow what duplicate values. Okay, and then when I talk about like a tuple, tuple is like a collection which is ordered and is unchangeable. Okay, it's allow like a duplicate value. So how do we try to create a list in Python? We'll see that practically today. Okay, how do we try to create a tuple? What is tuple? How do we try to define the tuple? And how we try to execute the tuple? Tuple is what? I think, if you see my, like an Oracle videos, you will see the topic called collections. Okay. Similarly, we have a collection in Python also. Okay. When I talk about set, how data will get collected in the sets, it is like a no, see, in this is what will happen. There is no duplicate values get added. Okay, and then number 4 is what? Dictionary. Dictionary is also like a collection which is unordered changeable value. Let me check, did I click on the recording option or not? Yes, I clicked on the recording option. Okay, now let's just start now. And now when I talk about like a dictionary, dictionary is also like a collection item which is unordered and changeable. But the thing is that how do we define the list? Suppose, for example, if I am putting animal, in that animal, okay, if I am putting tiger, dog, and lion, how we try to execute? When we try to execute, list will represent like this bracket. Okay, output will be like this. How we will get the output in the Python, and how do we particularly try to execute the Python? Let's see it practically now. Okay, so let me just put it right here. Let me go to some connection. Okay, the list which I have already created. I have created a program. I don't have to write like again. Okay, let's just write, like do it from the beginning exactly. Now you see here, I have already wrote a program. For example, animal. Animal is a class, and that one I'm defining tiger, dog, and lion. Print animal. If I wanted to run this program here in the Python, you see what is happening here. Output will be this one. But with the command prompt, how exactly we will try to execute that program? Okay, so for that one, we have to go here. CMD command prompt. Okay, remember I showed you when I was discussing about the chapter for mobile security. Remember, I was trying to execute the Python, like a file. Remember, when I was showing you on like a mobile security chapter, I was showing you how to execute the Python file. Remember, now cd space dot dot, where exactly this file located? This file I have saved here, b/naz dot collection, here where I have saved the file. So I am going to that directory, cd space dot dot. I am trying to execute the Python program. Same program I am trying to execute. D double colon here. Now cd space naz here, and then when I type here directory, I will get what? In the directory I have what? See, which directory has that file? Collection. So I am going where? I am going to the collection. CD space colletion, collection, right? Now in that collection I'm typing dir. Okay, what file I have to execute now? In that one we have one directory called list. Okay, cd space list. Okay, and now add under the list. Now list example number 1 we want to execute, right? So when I type here dir, I will get all these files, but I want to execute only this file. Python space, what was the file name? List ex.py. List ex.py. I want to execute that program, right? When I do here like this, see, same output we got it here. Any questions now? Hello, all of them.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, this is like a basic list example. Okay, now we will see one more example with respect to the list. This is like a basic example of the list, and now we will going to see one more example with the list. Example number 2 with the list. Okay, now you see here, when I put here animal, lion, dog, tiger, animal -1, value will come opposite side. When the value will come opposite side, I told you list have no, like a duplicate value or not. We see here, output will be tiger. How the output will be tiger? 0, 1, 2. Value from this side will be -1. -1 will be a tiger. Okay. How we try to execute the same file? I can go to the command prompt. Okay. D double colon cd space naz is a directory. Cd space collection. Okay. Collection where exactly this file is located, and then when I type a directory, in that one I have what? Cd space list. I am going here, and once I go to the list, I am typing a di. I want to execute what? Second, right? List number 2 I want to execute. Then what exactly I am doing now? Python space list. What was 2 there, right? List ex two dot what? Ey. You see, tiger came, right? Any questions still here? This is the example number 2 of the list. Okay. So similarly, we'll see all the collection items. Okay. This is example number 2 we have saw for the list, and now we're going to show you the example number 3 for the list. Now you see, list number 1, I have 3 lists. List number 1, 2, 3, 4. List number 2, I have this one. List number 3, I have strings, I have numbers, I have floating values. All data types in the list. When I wanted to execute print list 1, list 2, list 3. All 3 when I want to execute here, you see the output. Any questions still here now? Sridhar and Arvind, any questions?
No, sir. Clear.
Now, this is the example number 3 of what? Now we'll go to the example number 4. See, we have different methods also in that one. Like example, like Oracle, we have different methods, right? Here also we have a different method, remove method, update method. We have a different methods here. So and we can also have a joining the list also. 2 lists also we can join. How we will try to join, how we will try to update the list, how we try to create the list. We'll see one by one practically in detail. Now, list number collection item. Now you see here, list I have one black list. List I have 101, 102, 10. List number 2. List number 3 I have all the strings. List number 4 I have this. Print list, print list, print list and print list. All these are having what? Same value list. One I have a plain blank list. Other I am having all the numerical value. Other I am having all the string values. Other I am having what? Multi-dimensional list I am having here. When I wanted to run this program, where you see the output. Blank list, list this one, list items, list this one. This is like example of list. Now the question is how we are applying the method on the list. How we delete the list, how we join the 2 lists. Okay. For example, list number 1 I have Zishan, Amir, Asif. List number 2 I have 1, 2, 3. Okay. List number 3 I am creating one list. In that one 2 list I am putting the value of list 1 and list 2. This is completely a string. This is completely a numbers. When I want to execute this string, you see the output. Any questions still here now? Any
No,
questions?
sir. Clear. Clear.
Now, after this one here, we will try to count the list. Count the list is what? We have to count the list, right? I, apples, apples, love, now, count apples. When I wanted to run this program, this is what happened here. See, we are getting all this. We are getting this one, this one, this one. Apple, count and apples. Now, when I wanted to count how many apples, okay, animal dot count, count how many apples are there. If I wanted to put here apples, how many apples are there here? 1, 2 apples, right? 2 apples are there here, right? Hello, all of them.
Yes,
I am
sir.
putting a count class. I want to check how many apples are there in my complete list.
2.
Print array 2 apples, right? Animal dot count. Count is what? Count is a method. Similarly, like count, we have different method in the list. Like we have delete method, we have join method, we have append method. This is the example of what? Of a count. Let's just see one more example of how do we try to append. Append means joining, not completely join. You see the difference between the join and the append. Animal, tiger, lion, camel. Animal dot append. This inside animal, inside animal we have put all these things, and now animal dot append we have put here elephant. Now you see when I try to run this one, all coming here.
Sir,
See, join is different, append is different. Make sure append is a method. Okay, append is different, join is different, totally different. Yes, you were asking me something. Yes, ask Arvind. Is it Arvind or Sridhar? Who is it?
no, sir. Actually, Indra is also wants to join the class.
What do you say?
Indrakant.
Okay, Chandrakant. Yeah, Chandrakant. I have already started the session now. Okay, you can view that session. Okay, video got recorded. You can view the session completely. Okay, Chandra. Hello. Hello. Who is this? I think Chandra got joined with Chandra.
No, sir. No, sir. Indrakant.
Chandrakant. Okay, so you have joined just now, right?
Indrakant. Indrakant wants to join.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Make him join. Okay.
Okay.
Like Indrakant want to join, right? Make him join. Okay, Indrakant also make him join and let him hear the class now because this video is recorded. Okay, he can also hear that class. Okay, make him join. Okay, and I also request her also to join. What was her name? Chitra also. Make her also call her or like a message her to join. I think she didn't have my ID. Okay, make her join also. Okay. So now tiger, lion, camel, and elephant. See the difference between append and the join. Both are different. Append method and the join method, what we are applying in the list, both are different. Okay. So now let's just start now here. Okay. We have saw the example of the append now, right? Now let's just see the example of a join. I just told you append example, join. Join means what? I think I just told you now, right? Zishan, Amir, Asif, two things we are joining. You see how the output is coming. Is the output is getting same or different? Hello, output is coming same or different? I'm asking.
Different.
Append and like append method is there and also a join method is there. We are trying to join two lists. We are trying to append the two lists. What is the difference you are finding in both of them? Because this is like an interview question when you apply for a Python development job, okay, or Python scripting job. This is like what is the difference between the list method and the append method, okay. So you have saw the example when we are trying to like open this append one. I have added one more append one, right? Append joining means two different lists we are joining, but already we have one list we are trying to add in the same list. But joining means two different lists we are trying to join. Are you getting a point? Two different lists when I am trying to join, but we are appending with one list only. We are not using the list number 2, only with list number 1. Animal only we are trying to add one value. That is the difference. Okay. Any questions still here now? Now append. Now let's just see one more example of the append. Let's just see one more example of the append. What if I have two of them? A tiger, lion, elephant, B shark, whale, dolphin, A dot append B. See, join, we saw the example, two lists are getting joined, but we try to do append here. You see, exclamatory mark is coming here. Append. In the append. In the join, we will not get like this. Anyone, any questions now? In the join, we will not get like this, but when we are trying to do append, we will get this one. Any questions now? Indrakant, Sridhar, Arvind, any questions now? Any questions now?
No, sir.
Okay, so now after this one, okay, we have for this append. So after this append, we will see the example number, how to try to remove the list. Okay, we saw how we try to create the list, how we try to delete the list, how we try to join the list. Now we'll see how we try to remove the list also. Fruit is, for example, inside that we have apple, banana, we have cherry. Fruit dot remove banana. For example, print fruit. When I try to execute this program, what happening inside? Banana is gone, right? Any questions now till here? Okay, it's completely gone. This number 2 banana was completely gone because we have used what? Remove method here. Okay, now let's just see one more. How do we try to update the list? Let's just see the practical example.